Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Threefold Faith. Chapter 17, Shloka 12 and 13. That sacrifice which is offered, O best of the Bharatas, seeking fruit and for ostentation, you may know that to be a Rajasic Yagna.
Chapter 17, Shloka 12. Abhisandhaya tu phalam dambhartam api chaivayat ijyate bharadashreshta tam yajnam vidhi rajasam.
They declare that sacrifice to be tamsika, which is contrary to the ordinances, in which no food is distributed, which is devoid of mantras and gifts, and which is devoid of faith.
Chapter 17, Shloka 13. Vidihinam asrishtannam mantrahinam adakshinam shraddha virahitam yajnam tamasam parisakshate.
Chapter 17, Shloka 12 and 13. Sacrifices which are undertaken by men who are anxious to reach a particular goal and who work for satisfying their vanity in the community are Rajasic. When people act in the world in order to gain a fixed chosen fruit, they are preoccupied with their anxieties and worries. They work burdened with imagined fears related to the fixed chosen goal. Others work in the world not for a fixed goal but to satisfy their vanity by exhibiting their wealth or knowledge to become the show of the society. These do not constitute divine acts, nor can they be expected to bring cheerfulness or inner peace. Shloka 13. The tamasic sacrifice is now explained. Disobeying the ordinances of the scriptures and against the principles of right living, their sacrifices are of the lowest types. They do not bring any happiness for either the performer or the people around. A man of sacrifice and right action cannot expect any inner growth because of his actions unless they are accompanied by a mental development and expansion of the heart, which makes him share whatever he has with the other who don't. When rituals are performed without chanting mantras and without distribution of reward for the Brahmins, those sacrifices are classified as tamasic. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.